Way to put off some of that long-term care maybe is to just stay healthy. And this morning we want to tell you about the first ever Healthy City Initiative, along with a couple of great healthy activities happening in the city of Norfolk. Laura Solomon joined us this morning. She's the executive director of Girls on the Run for Southampton Roads. We're glad you're here. And also Norfolk City Councilwoman Terry Whibley is here to talk about just kind of a citywide initiative to get people to get out there and be healthy and to make Norfolk a healthy place to live. It's a fantastic idea. And hopefully the word is getting out. So what do you want people to know about the Healthy City Initiative?
Well, just what you said, to get the word out, to get people out there moving and thinking about all the things that makes our city great.
Yeah, my husband and I live in Norfolk, and this past weekend we saw a couple of bikes go by, and a couple more, and a couple more, and a couple more, and then it was like about 75 people on bikes, and we went outside and said, what's going on? And they told us it was the community bike ride. I know that's just one of a few events happening around the city, but what other events can people get involved in?
Well, that was part of our second annual May Bike Month, and we have a bike ride in different areas of the city for every Saturday of the month of May. We're also sponsoring some walks and encouraging communities to get active with get out there and meet your neighbors and be active and get to know your city, and so you'll be seeing more and more of those during the year. This involves kind of a global idea. There's more than just physical activity. There's also attention to be placed toward childhood obesity, which we see is a huge factor in the quality of life and the economics, frankly, of our city. You'll hear more about the Girls on the Run and more activities like that throughout the year.
Let's talk about that right now with Laura Solomon. You've got an event coming up this weekend.
We do. Saturday, May 19th at 9 a.m. is our third annual fundraiser 5K.
And if folks aren't familiar with Girls on the Run, tell me really quickly what this organization is doing that's much more than running.
Right, yeah, you know, as you mentioned, it's more of a global, wholesome approach. It is a 12-week after-school curriculum for girls ages 8 to 12, a nonprofit that focuses on healthy living, self-esteem, being part of a community, and along the way they train for a 5K.
All right. And that one of those 5Ks coming up Saturday. We'll put the information about that race and all of the healthy initiatives for the city of Norfolk at thehamptonroadshow.com. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.